Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and healthy shrimp and broccoli stir fry. This is so fresh to make and it is so healthy to consume, and people, this does not take time to prepare. So without further ado, let's dive into the cooking. So first thing here, I have my frozen broccoli. This I brought out from the freezer and it has melted enough, and I'm just gonna do it, open up the pack, and then I will cut it as I want, and also I'll be using lukewarm water and salt to clean up. So just watch this process, because this is just me cutting it out from the root of it, and then I will do it, clean it up properly. This is me just adding in the salt, and I'll be pouring in the lukewarm water into it. And after this, I'll set this aside for about 5 minutes before I totally clean it up and strain the water out. And then the next clip you're seeing is where I'm going to be doing what, starting the frying. So here is my saucepan. I'm just adding in vegetable oil. Once this heats up, I'll put in my white onion that's been nicely chopped, as you can see, and I'll just do what, I will stir and stir, and after stirring, I'm going to be doing what, I'll be adding in my shrimps. As you can see, this has been nicely washed, and then this is it into the pan. So keep watching. So at this point, adding the salt and also adding the curry. All these are the seasonings we are going to be using, and also adding the thyme, as you can rightly see, and also you adding the shrimp powder, and also you adding the white pepper, and after the white pepper we're going to be adding in what, the black pepper. And people, remember, anything you choose to add is up to you. Then I added in my grounded pepper just to give it a little hotness, which is that pepper thing we are looking for. So here is it. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes, and then add in the nicely washed broccoli. As you can see, remember I soaked it earlier on with salt and lukewarm water, and then I drained the water out, and this is me adding that into this pan. So you can see how this is going. Remember, you can use this sauce to serve your rice, your plantain, or you can eat it naturally this way, and it's so healthy. I actually ate it this way because that's how I wanted it, and it was so delicious, so healthy, and very, very easy to make. You can opt out with any ingredients you don't want to add, but make sure you get what you want to your taste and satisfaction. So this was stir fried for 5 minutes, and after that I added in the soy sauce to let it cool down a little. But remember, when you add in the soy sauce, turn off the light so that the heat will do what, we cook the remaining vegetable. This is the soy sauce nicely added, and that is the end of adding anything into this, and it came out nicely cooked. And people, it was a wow. Try this out, and it's so healthy. Check out the benefits of broccoli in the description box. So if you know you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you give this video a like, and also share to your friends and families. And at the end, don't forget to leave a resounding comment. And if you're new, this is the right time to hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new videos. So thanks all for watching up to this time, and it will be a great pleasure to have your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.